Hello, dear students. How are you? I hope all of you will be fine and happy. I am Swati Singh. In this video, we are taking our two chapters, Chapter 4 and Chapter 5. Chapter 4 is Hasya Yoga and Chapter 5 is Chatak Chatak. Now we will start with the Chapter 4, Hasya Yoga. Funny jokes and humorous stories are very useful for entertainment of people. Humor is an essential fragment of the behavioral and emotional system that supports life. It is important for individuals to smile and laugh every once in a while. This is beneficial for the health as well as mental state. There are plenty of other benefits that a joke can render in an ordinary human life. Jokes invariably refers to those stories which are strictly meant for amusement or laughter. Such humor and fun can spice up our life by effectively bringing in happiness. It can be either a long or a short joke. The underlying purpose is to make people laugh and feel jovial. Now, benefits of jokes. The advantages of laughing are countless, so much that there are even clubs that go by the name laughing clubs. Let us look at the sum of the benefits which make jokes and the successive laughing better than just an annoying act of certain time of reference. Number 1. Health benefits. Jokes makes people laugh and impacts the body in positive sense. When we start to laugh, it not only just lighten our body but also induces many physical changes in our body. Funny jokes boost up the human immune system by increasing infection fighting antibodies. Laughing impacts blood circulation and health with heart and other cardiovascular problem. Number 2. Relieve stress and smooth tension. Jokes help in relieving our anger, depression, tension, and stress and make us feel light and tension free. It also improves the mood by reducing anxiety and fear. Laughter increase heat rate and blood pressure, both of which cools down our stress response. Number 3. Social benefits. Jokes plays a very vital role in social life. If we are sharing good jokes at our workplace, we can impress anyone. It is seen that people who share good jokes can easily build up friendship and have a long list of friends. There are 5 humorous jokes in this chapter. Usefulness of humor in language education has been proved in this chapter by giving them. The first stanza is आपणिकः ग्राहकं प्रति एतत् यन्त्रं क्रीणातु क्रयणयोग्यम् अस्ति. The translation is the shopkeeper to the customer, buy this machine, it is proper to be bought. ग्राहकः एतस्य का विशेषता अस्ति? The customer, what's its speciality? आपणिकः एतत् यन्त्रं भवतः 50% कार्यभारम् अल्पं करिष्यति. The shopkeeper, this machine will lessen your workload 50%. ग्राहकः तर्हि कृपया 2 यन्त्रे ददातु. The customer, then please give me 2 machines. The second one is शिक्षकः छात्रस्य गृहकार्यं दृष्ट्वा भवतः गृहकार्ये बहवः दोषाः तानपि भवान् एकः एव करोति? The teacher, after checking the student's homework, there are many mistakes in your homework. Only you do these mistakes? छात्रः महोदय, एते सर्वे दोषाः अहम् एव न करोमि. गृहपाठलेखने मम पिता अपि सहायतां करोति. The student replied, Sir, I alone do not make all these mistakes. My father also helps me in doing my homework. The next one is Grihaswami Athitim Prati Bhavan Agachatu Shwan Bhayam Na Anubhavatu. The owner of the house to the guest, please welcome. Don't be afraid of the dog. Atithi kim sah na dashati? The guest, does not it bite? गृहस्वामी तस्य दंशन स्वभावः अस्ति वा न इति अहम् अपि न जानामि, यतः एतस्य स्वभावस्य परीक्षणम् अधुना भविष्यति. The owner of the house, I don't know whether it has or hasn't nature of biting, because it will be the test of its nature now. The fourth one is एकदा चोरद्वयं वित्तकोशे लुण्ठनं करोति. Once two thieves rob a bank. बहूनि रूप्यकाणि प्राप्नोति. गृहम् आगत्य वार्तालापं करोति. They get many rupees. Having come home, they talk. प्रथमः चोरः कियत् धनं प्राप्तं तस्य ज्ञानार्थं धनगणनां करोमि. The first thief, I am counting money because I want to know how much money we have got. द्वितीयः चोरः व्यर्थश्रमं मा करोतु. श्वः वर्तमानपत्रे वार्ताम् आगमिष्यति एव. The second thief, don't do useless labor. The news will come in the newspaper tomorrow. ततः गणना ज्ञानं भविष्यति. So we shall know counting. The last one is वृद्ध शंभुनाथः मम पत्नी मम भोजनस्य पश्चात् एव भोजनं करोति. Old Shambhunath, my wife takes dinner only after I take my dinner. Ramanath, भवान् भार्या सह भोजनं न करोति वा? Ramnath, don't you take dinner with your wife? Shambhunathः, तथा किमपि नास्ति. It is not so. मम भोजनस्य पश्चात् सा भोजनं करोति. तस्य कारणम् अस्ति यत् आवयोः एका एव कृत्रिम दन्तावली अस्ति. She takes dinner only after I take my dinner. It has a reason. We both have only one denture. Now we will start with the chapter number 5. But before starting the chapter, I want to share some information about sparrows with you. There is not a bird that's happier in the company of humans, maybe the robin, but sparrow's position. Their colony is close to use in urban communities. You rarely find sparrows outside of urban spaces. They do not migrate, but sometimes flock to the countryside in the late summer to feed on the ripening grain fields. The population of the house sparrow has declined at an alarming rate in India, especially since the late 1990. To see a bird that dominated our life and culture disappear is disturbing. Now we will start our chapter. Our fifth chapter is Chatak Chatak, means sparrow sparrow. Children like surrounding birds and animals. They become happy by feeding them and by loving them. This small poem represents talking of a boy with a sparrow. The poem explains that we can talk with animals and birds in Sanskrit as naturally as in mother tongue. The first stanza is चटक चटक रे चटक चिव चिव कूजसि त्वं विहग नीडम निवससि सुखेन डयसे खादति फलानि मधुराणि. Sparrow, sparrow, O sparrow, O bird, you speak or you sing chin chin. You live in a nest, fly easily, eat sweet fruits. विहरसि विमले विपुले गगने नास्ति जनः खलु वा रयिता माता पितरा विह मम न स्तः एकाकी खलु खिन्नो अहम्. You live in a nest, fly easily, eat sweet fruits. You stroll in the clean large sky, really no one is there to stop you. My parents are not here. Really, I am sad because I am alone. Ehi samipam chiv chiv mitram dadati tubhyam bahudhanyam. O chin chin sparrow friend, come near to me, I give you many grains. Chanakam suikuru pibare neeram tvam punarapi rat chiv chiv toshay mam kuru madhura lapam पाठय मामपि तव भाषाम. Please accept grains and drink water. Speak again, chin chin chin. Satisfied me, make sweet voice. Teach your language to me also.